Welcome back to Steve's World of Wonders.
Welcome back to Steve's World of Wonders.
I think that's Dominion-Chalmers right there. Yeah, it says so right on the side there. Dominion-Chalmers is now, and has been for a while, part of Carleton University. They use it for concerts and who knows what else. Here's Lisgar Street entrance. I like this round window here. 1912. This must be the Lisgar Street entrance here that I'm supposed to use.
Yeah.
I hear music. $5 entry. I didn't do too much filming in there because the vendors, I don't think they'd be too happy with me filming too much, digging through albums. But I got some interesting records here. Let me show you. I got Out of This World Atmospheric Sounds and Effects from the BBC Radiophonic Workshop. Look at that cover art. That's awesome. Of course, the BBC Radiophonic Workshop, responsible for the theme song of Doctor Who, one of the best theme songs ever created. And if this looks familiar, it was in my video of the Big Bang Festival in the NAC. You can see this album. It appears in that video.
Previously on Steve's World of Wonders.
Every plant with a yellow spot in its pot, you can touch and it makes a song. Is out of this world. The old radios here. And I also got this Exotica album, Taboo, The Exotic Sounds of Arthur Lyman, a classic tiki culture record. There's Arthur Lyman and his band. That looks like a geodesic stage there. It's not the best shaped record, but I've been looking for this one. Yeah.
Exploring attractions, museums to see, festivals and public art.